Stick Your Tongue Out. Written by Prabha Ram and Sheila Pruitt. Illustrated by Sandhya Prabhat. Published by Pratham Books. Blue tongue, black tongue. Long tongue, strong tongue. Spiky tongue, sticky tongue. Rough tongue, smooth tongue. Forked tongue, fast tongue. Heavy tongue, hairy tongue. What is your tongue like? Let's talk about tongues. Did you know that tongues are made of muscle and are able to do many different things? Yet, tongues never get tired or sore. Polar bear's blue tongue absorbs the sun's heat to keep warm. Giraffe's tongue is dark, which protects it from sunburn in the African savanna. Pangolin puts its long tongue into anthills to slurp up ants, its favorite snack. Salamander shoots out its powerful tongue to snatch crickets and fruit flies. Goose grips grass with its spiky tongue and tears it off to munch. Frog catches flies with its sticky saliva and stretchy tongue. Cat's rough tongue helps it brush its fur. Dog cools off by sticking out its tongue that swells up when it gets too hot. Snake uses its forked tongue to smell its surroundings. Chameleon's tongue darts out with lightning speed to grab that grasshopper before it leaps away. Blue whale, the largest animal on earth, has the heaviest tongue that helps trap tiny krill that it loves to eat. Flamingo's hairy tongue helps filter blue-green algae and shrimps that are its favorite food.